everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make some banging quesadillas, and by banging I mean banging. They're really good. Up until kind of recently in my life, I would make quesadillas with only cheese and chicken, and of course that was yummy, but then I thought, let me try and put some other things in, and turns out adding some vegetables and adding some seasoning to things is actually a really good idea. I thought I had really good quesadillas. Now I have banging quesadillas. Let me show you what we need to make these banging quesadillas. How many times in this video can I say banging? Whoa, you can fly! Okay, so here are the things you're going to need. First we need tortillas because that's just a very vital ingredient for quesadillas. Then over to the greens. We're gonna need some spring onion. I love spring onions. Gonna use some baby spinach for this. Not a whole lot, but gonna use it. I love spinach. And for seasoning purposes, we have coriander. I was trying to find cilantro, but apparently it's really hard to find in this country. I mean, I looked in 3 different stores and I didn't find it, so I'm just gonna categorize it as difficult to find. And gonna use some pepper. I'm using sweet pepper. Wait, what's this called? Sweet snack pepper, I think. I just like it. I think it's a good option for pepper. If you eat peppers a lot, you get kind of tired of it, and this is yummy. And then we have the chicken, the grossest part of this. I'm gonna just skip because no one likes looking at raw chicken. Has some cheese. I treated myself to the 4 cheese blend, but usually I'll just use grated cheddar and mozzarella. If you mix those two, that's actually pretty good. Over to the seasonings. Gonna use some sea salt and some black pepper. Also some oregano and basil. I'm gonna put these 2 straight in the quesadilla. I'm not gonna put these in the chicken. These 2 will go in the chicken, as well as this garlic granules. Love garlic. This is what makes everything so much better. I'm trying to get myself used to spicy food, and this is so delicious if you put it on chicken. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, but oh my god, this has rocked my world. Then moving over to my toppings of choice. Obviously these are up to you, like whatever you like to use on your quesadillas or just Mexican food in general. I love sour cream. I just need it. It's an essential thing. Some avocado. I'm gonna mash this up. And some salsa. I accidentally got the mild one. Would not recommend, but we're going with what we have right now. All right, so let's cut up the veg and cut up the chicken, and yeah, let's take it from there. It's time for some fresh avocado. Please be a beautiful one. Oh! Oh! Ripe and ready to eat. I don't think so. Okay, so that was not a fresh avocado. This is a ripen at home avocado. I don't know if it's ready, but I really want avocado with this. Actually, this avocado isn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be like rock hard, but it's actually quite creamy. Ooh. All right. Just gonna put a bit of salt on there and a bit of pepper. I'm just gonna mix this for a bit. So it's literally just mashed avocado with salt and pepper on it. So it's not actual guacamole, but I don't feel like I need actual guacamole for this. And here's our spinach. So the veggie station is now done. Let's continue on to the chicken. So yeah, this bit is kind of just gross because who likes to watch raw chicken get cut and stuff. So I'm just adding some salt and pepper and garlic powder right now. Let me just adjust this a little bit so you can actually see the chicken. When the chicken is pretty much like cooked on both sides, we're gonna add the chili powder. This is hard because I don't want to add too much. But it doesn't come with like a sprinkle thing, it comes with nothing, so yeah, like that happens. And then we're just gonna let this, you know, cook into the chicken. And this smells good, so ta-da! The chicken is done. It might look a little burnt, but that's because of the chili powder. I promise you, this is the juiciest chicken. So I am gonna cut this up now, and then we're gonna make our quesadilla. So our quesadilla station is now ready. Here is our lovely tortilla. I'm gonna put the chicken on that I've now cut like that, and then we're gonna go for our greens and our reds. Just gonna throw this on, throw the spring onion on, and I know that I'm gonna fill this up too much, but who cares? let's see. And then the coriander. Important. Just gonna shove this on here. And then we're gonna go with our cheese. It's kind of hard to know what's the like perfect amount of cheese. You don't want to put too much because then it might not melt properly. And then we're gonna put some oregano, or is this basil? Yeah, oregano. And some basil. I'm trying to do this quickly because my camera's about to die. Then we're gonna put some spinach on top. And yeah, this is definitely overflowing. It might be hard to close. I'm just gonna pretend that this is good. Try to like flatten it and squeeze it together a little bit so that it just stays together during cooking. I guess that's the tricky part. You can kind of try and cheat this a little bit by just shoving things inside with your spatula, but at the same time, like, no matter how much of a mess this becomes, it will still taste nice. So don't worry too much. There's no like set time for how long you cook it, just like look at how the cheese is doing. If the cheese is melted, the quesadilla is done. Simple as that. Ta-da! So this is the finished product. This is a delicious, trust me. If you need a new kind of twist to your quesadilla, try this one. It's really good. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want me to make more cooking, food related videos, please let me know, because I love cooking. I love talking about food. So I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Keep up the good vibes.